Good morning, second graders. Today we are going to continue to solve problems with dollar bills. Let's get started on our video.
Chloe has a $20 bill and a $1 bill. Her sister Violet has $6 less than Chloe has. Do the two sisters have enough money to buy a $35 scarf for their mother? You know that the price of the scarf is $35. What else do you know that could help you solve this problem? You know that Chloe has a $20 bill and a $1 bill. And you know that Violet has $6 less than Chloe has. You can show how much money Chloe has with a $20 bill and a $1 bill. What is another way you can make $21 using other kinds of bills?
Okay, so we're thinking about another way to make $21. Well, we could use 21 $1 bills. We could use two $10 bills and one $1 bill. We could use a combination of 10s and 5s and 1s. There's a lot of different ways that we could represent $21 using bills.
One way you can make $21 with bills is $10, $10, and $1. Another way is $5, $5, $5, $5, and $1. You can find out how much money Violet has by subtracting $21 minus $6. Why do you need to subtract $6 from $21?
Okay, why do we need to subtract $6 from $21? Because her sister has $6 less than she does. So we would take the 21 that she has, subtract the 6, and find the difference.
You know that Chloe has $21, and the problem tells you that Violet has $6 less than Chloe has. $21 minus $6 is equal to $15. You know that Violet could have a $10 bill and a $5 bill. Which operation should you use to find out if Chloe and Violet have enough money to buy the scarf for their mother?
Select your answer.
Okay, now we need to add the money that Chloe has to the money that Violet has to see if together they have enough. So we will use addition.
You should use addition to find out if Chloe and Violet have enough money to buy that scarf for their mother. $21 plus $15 equals $36. $36 is enough to buy a $35 scarf. Now you know how to solve problems using different types of dollar bills. $1 bills, $5 bills, $10 bills, $20 bills.
Solving problems is fun.
Okay, let's watch our another look video and we will move on from there.
So I have a $10 bill and a $1 bill. My friend Valerie has $6. Do we have enough money to buy a $12 book from the bookstore? Well, if I have a $10 bill and a $1 bill, that's a total of $11. Valerie has $6. To find out if we have enough to buy the book, we need to add our money. $11 plus $6 equals $17. Great! $17 is more than enough money to buy a $12 book. That means we can go to the store and buy it. See you later!
Okay, please meet me on page 461 in your math book, 461. Let me close out of these things so I can get where I need to go. 461 is the page number. Here we go. It says, Timmy takes money out of his piggy bank. He takes out 2 $10 bills, 3 $5 bills, and 6 $1 bills. How much money does Timmy take out? Draw a picture to show your work. So we're going to do this in steps. The first thing we need to represent is 2 $10 bills. I'm going to draw the picture, and then I'm just going to put a little check mark so I know that I did that part. 3 $5 bills. Okay, and a little check mark, and then 6 $1 bills. Make sure you're taking the time to make your picture match mine. Now I need to add. 10 plus 10 is 20, 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15, and 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 6. I'm going to add that up. I like to use the standard algorithm vertical style, so I'm going to put it like this. Then I'm going to add 5 plus 6, hopefully you remember, is 11. We drop the 1, carry over that group of 10. Now I have to add my 10s. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 more is 4. So Timmy took out 41, oops, our dollar sign's already there, $41, okay? Turn the page, let's keep rolling. Okay, you're gonna need to take your time on these. They're gonna make you think, and you can do them. You just have to take your time. Number 1 says, Sam had some money in his wallet. He went to the carnival and spent $12. Now he has $5. How much was in his wallet before the carnival? So they set us up here, mystery number minus 12 equals 5. If we flip this fact, we can add these two together to find what our mystery number was. So mystery number minus 12 will equal 5. I'm going to flip my fact and say 12 plus 5 equals 17. So before the carnival, he had 17. Let's look at number 2. Morgan has $7. Her grandmother gives her a $10 bill and a $5 bill. How much money does Morgan have now? We need to say $7 plus $10 plus $5. Well, 7 plus 5 is 12. Drop the 2, carry the 1. She now has $22. I'm going to help you set up 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you will do the math. Let's look at number 3. Mia has $2, so she has $2. Ethan gives her 2 $5 bills, and Noah gives her 1 $10 bill. We need to add this all together. So you need to say 2 plus 5 plus 5 plus 10. What does that equal? Okay. A sweater costs $38. Charlie has 1 $20 bill. Take your time and draw the picture. 1 $10 bill. And 2 $1 bills. How much more money does he need to buy the sweater? So you need to say 20 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1. Whatever this answer is, you're going to subtract it from 38 to find out what this answer is. So this answer comes over to here. 38 minus whatever you got here, and then when you subtract, that'll give you the missing number for the answer, okay? Let's look at number 5. Eli has $64. One of the bill is a $20 bill. What other bills could Eli have? Okay, we have $64 total. One bill is a $20 bill. So 64 minus 20 equals 44. How can we make or represent $44? What other bills could he have? You draw the picture. Think about that carefully. What bills could we use to make $44? Last one, Jen bought 3 $5 raffle tickets and 8 $1 raffle tickets. How much did she spend on tickets? I'm going to tell you to explain by saying we drew a picture, and your picture should look like this. 5, 5, and 5. That's 3 $5 tickets, and then you need to draw 8 $1 tickets and then add. Okay, add them up. I would like you to pause your video, finish your workbook pages, and then listen to the part about the quick check, because that will really help you do your best on that quick check, okay? I will meet you over there for the quick check. Let's see. Here we go. Number 1. A pair of sandals cost $29. Sarah has one $20 bill, one $5 bill, and 3 $1 bills. How much more money does she need? Use a whiteboard, draw the picture. This should not be too hard. Take your time and do your best. How much more money does she need? Number 2. Dan has 3 $10 bills, 2 $5 bills, and 4 $1 bills. Mrs. Sanchez has one $100 bill. Dan says he has more money because he has 9 bills and Mrs. Sanchez only has 1 bill. What mistake did Dan make? Use the drop-down menus to complete the explanation. Now remember, when we say bills, that means pieces of paper, but the value of those pieces of paper can be different. So it says Dan has 9 bills, but he only has, you need to add up his value. 3 10s, 2 5s, 4 1s. Tell me how much money he has total. Mrs. Sanchez has 1 bill, but it is worth $100. So Dan has more or less money than Mrs. Sanchez. Your job is to add these up. So draw the picture. 3 10s plus 2 5s plus 4 1s. Take your time and do your best. Next one, number 3. Ryan wants to buy a new fishing pole that cost $52. He has one $20 bill, 2 $10 bills, and 8 $1 bills. How much more money does he need? So you need to add up what he has and then subtract from 52. Draw the picture. 1 $20 bill, 2 $10 bills, 8 $1 bills. Take your time, guys. These are not too hard, but I can just feel that we're going to rush and then be shocked when we get our answers wrong. Number 4. Greg has $32. His sister has 8 more than Greg has. How much do they have in all? Okay, this shows you exactly how to complete the steps. 32 plus 8, put your answer here. Then you're going to take this answer and drop it into this spot. So you're saying 32 plus your answer from here equals blank. That this blank and this blank should be the same. And finally, number 5. Brad has one $20 bill, 2 $10 bills, and 2 $1 bills. Pause, write it down, add it up. 20 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1. He would like to buy a video game that costs $49. How much more money does he need? So you need to take what Brad has and subtract from 49. And then it says, what bills could they be? Choose all that apply. We had a problem just like this last week. There's more than one way to make that total. Take your time and do your best. I know you guys can do it. Please take your time. Okay.